Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled to find the perfect electric toothbrush that balances power with versatility, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the Rtauys Rechargeable Sonic Electric Toothbrush, a sleek and efficient tool that promises to take your oral care routine to the next level. Whether you're dealing with sensitive teeth, aiming for a whiter smile, or simply want a deeper clean, this toothbrush claims to offer it all. But does it really live up to the hype? Stick around as we put it to the test. The Rtauys Sonic Electric Toothbrush is designed for adults, featuring 5 distinct brushing modes: cleaning, whitening, sensitive, gum care, and massage. This makes it adaptable to various oral care needs, allowing you to choose the mode that works best for your teeth and gums. The brush is powered by a rechargeable battery, and it includes a thoughtful travel case, making it perfect for on-the-go use. The sonic vibrations deliver up to 41,000 high-frequency vibrations per minute, which the brand claims is 5 times more effective at removing plaque and surface stains compared to lower-frequency brushes. With 8 brush heads included, 2 of which are specially designed for sensitive teeth, the Rtauys toothbrush promises a 2-year lifespan before you need to replace any components, helping you save money in the long run. And with a built-in 2-minute timer and 30-second reminders, it ensures you're brushing for the optimal amount of time and coverage. Incorporating this toothbrush into my routine was surprisingly easy. I first noticed how smooth the handle felt in my hand. Comfortable, yet sturdy. The brush head's vibrations were powerful without being uncomfortable. I tested the 5 modes across a few days, using cleaning and whitening in the mornings, and sensitive and gum care at night. The sensitive mode was particularly gentle, offering a nice balance between cleaning and care, while the whitening mode provided a noticeable brightness after just a few uses. However, the sonic vibrations are powerful, so if you're someone who prefers a softer touch, you might want to start on a gentler setting, especially for sensitive teeth. The brush's performance is stellar in terms of plaque removal. My teeth definitely felt cleaner and smoother after each use. One downside, though, is that it's easy to accidentally press the button and change modes mid-brush, especially when you're in a rush. A lock feature for the modes might have been a nice addition. Let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros: powerful sonic vibrations that really clean your teeth. 5 versatile modes cater to different needs, including sensitive teeth and gum care. Comes with 8 replacement brush heads, 2 of which are for sensitive teeth, giving you 2 years of use without needing to buy extra heads. A travel case is included, which is a bonus for those who are frequently on the move. 2-minute timer with 30-second reminders for optimal brushing time. Cons: the high-frequency vibrations may feel too intense for those with extra sensitive gums. Mode switching can be a bit too sensitive, leading to accidental mode changes. So, is this toothbrush worth the price? It offers excellent value, especially considering the number of brush heads included, the power, and the versatility of the 5 brushing modes. The price feels justified given the performance and the long-term cost savings with the replacement heads. In comparison to other electric toothbrushes on the market, especially those from well-known brands, the Rtauys offers similar features at a more budget-friendly price point. Other models may have fewer replacement heads or lack some of the specialized modes, like the gum care and massage modes, which are pretty unique. The build quality is solid, with a sleek modern design that's both functional and visually appealing. The handle feels ergonomic and easy to hold, and I'm confident it will last for a long time with proper care. The battery life is also impressive. It lasted me several days on a single charge. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, I didn't have direct experience, but Rtauys has generally good reviews for being responsive and helpful if you need assistance. They also offer a decent warranty, which is a good sign in terms of product quality assurance. If you're not sold on this toothbrush yet, there are definitely alternatives to consider. But if you're looking for an electric toothbrush that delivers powerful cleaning, whitening, and customizable care, This one does a great job at a reasonable price. Wrapping up, I've been really impressed with the Rtauys Sonic Electric Toothbrush. It offers great value for money, and the different modes provide flexibility for various oral care needs. It's definitely a great choice for anyone looking to elevate their brushing routine without breaking the bank. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.